Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your Facebook username or user ID. These are both different things. So there are couple of ways to find username or user ID, but I'm telling you the simplest one. So you just have to open up any browser and log into your Facebook. After logging in, now what you have to do is, now you just have to tap on your profile icon which is on top left corner. After tapping on your profile, you have to tap on three dots which is here. Now tap on copy profile, copy link to profile. So after tapping on it, it will copy your profile link. So what we have to do is you just have to paste it anywhere. And here you can see after write to Facebook URL, here is your username. So you can check out this. This is username of your Facebook account. And what is user ID? So in order to get the user ID, you have to open up your Facebook profile. After tapping on it, now you have to tap on the URL. After tapping on URL, now what you have to do is in the URL, after write to URL, here is the ID which is right after the ID equal sign. So after write to ID, here is the ID of your profile. So guys, this is the ID, your user ID of Facebook, and that was the Facebook username. So that's all for today guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.